Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the average function in Excel or how to calculate average in Excel. So here we have taken some sample data. Here are some individuals name and here is the sale for 3 months, January, February and March. In this cell, we will calculate the average of first individual, that is Mr. Amir. So we will write formula equal, then here you can see average, click on this or press tab and then select his 3 months and enter. So this is the average of Mr. Amir for 3 months. Click on this and drag this formula to remaining individuals and this is their quarterly average. Now if you want to calculate monthly average, just again write equal and then average, press tab and select these values and enter. So here is the average and drag it to the remaining and this is the average of January, February and March. So this is how you can use average function in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.